This is some breaking news coming in. Actor Jacqueline has reached the Patiala House Court, and this is as far as the actor Jacqueline Fernandez is concerned. The actor has now reached Patiala House Court. The order on Jacqueline Fernandez's bail application is likely to be announced on at 4 p.m. Remember, this is with respect to the 200 crore extortion case that's linked to conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar. Bhavtosh joins us live on the broadcast for more. Bhavtosh, what more details can you share with us?
The courtroom and the all-important order will be passed at around 4 p.m. The judge is in his chamber, and it's expected the court will decide whether she gets a regular bail or whether the interim bail will be cancelled. And if that happens, then very big trouble for Jacqueline. That could mean that she might have to go for judicial custody. But the events that happened since shows that if she gets a regular bail, because the court yesterday, in fact, asked a very important, pertinent question to the Enforcement Directorate as to why she was not arrested when there was in this entire case against Jacqueline Fernandez, because the Enforcement Directorate said that she is a flight risk, and more importantly, they said that she was aware of the fact that Sukesh Chandrasekhar is in fact was carrying out an extortion racket worth 200 crore rupees. The Enforcement Directorate again said that she could influence the witness if she gets a bail, and they also said that she in fact tried destroying the evidence once she came to know that Sukesh Chandrasekhar has been arrested in this case. The basic argument of the Enforcement Directorate is that once she read in the newspapers that Sukesh Chandrasekhar has been arrested, she not only destroyed and wiped out all the data from her mobile phone, but even asked her staff members. When her staff was in fact questioned in the case, they said that she Google searched details of Leena Mariupol, that's Sukesh Chandrasekhar's wife, and by doing so, she was aware of the fact that Sukesh is someone who has in fact committed a series of crimes. Now, that was the basic line of investigation that the Enforcement Directorate conducted during 14 months of investigation. Jacqueline Fernandez's assets worth 7.14 crore rupees have been attached in the case. Now, yesterday, her counsel, in fact, submitted their submission in which they have said that the claims of Enforcement Directorate are exaggerated. They also said that they had, in fact, challenged the attachment order of the Enforcement Directorate before the appellate tribunal, wherein they have said that why she's being treated differently from other Bollywood actors who also have received gifts, and their gifts have not been attached by the Enforcement Directorate. The court also asked that why the Enforcement Directorate is doing pick and choose as far as other accused are concerned. They cited the example of Sanjay Bhandari, who was not arrested by the Enforcement Directorate and even managed to flee the country. A few days back, the Westminster Court has in fact cleared the extradition of Sanjay Bhandari. So all eyes on the court, which will in less than an hour will decide whether Jacqueline Fernandez gets a bail or whether she will be sent for judicial custody.
4 p.m. is when we're expecting that order to come in. Bhavtosh, thank you so much for getting us those details.